my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And okay, I'm gonna have to do this video a little quick because I almost gotta leave for work, but I want to show what I got done this week. This one, if you've seen, I had a short, which this took me by surprise. This is a skinny Chanel yarn, I think by Loops and Thread, and it worked like a charm on my Centro knitting machine. It's like it didn't give me any problems whatsoever. And it is nice and soft, so I thought I'd try to figure out which yarns work on the, at least on the Centro that I have. This worked out very well. It's really soft. It's like, again, this was a surprise. So yeah, straight up, I just bunched the ends together. Oh yeah, this is one of those projects like, okay, I want to get done with it. I made it into a cowl. So this is with the Facets yarn. It's just the moss stitch, which is starting to become more and more my favorite stitch. The colors are nice, and I just attached it at the end, and we have a very pretty cowl. I like this. Oh, and then I realized I forgot to send Laura Ever over at Bad Mimi's Crochet and Farming the picture of this hat. This is part of, this was the hat for Bod Hat Palooza she holds every week. This is the hat I got done, and the yarn was the granny square yarn. So it's a thing, I don't think so far, with the 2 skeins of granny square out of the 3 I got, not a single one I made granny squares with, other than to make the one to show that, yeah, I got it to work. I had since frogged that, made a different project, but yeah, I guess this is why sometimes that this hat would have been better with a solid color, because you probably would have seen the pattern much better, the colors. Kind of take away from the pattern, but that's okay, the colors are nice too. Finally, I have this hat, which turned out too big. It's on the video that I literally just posted seconds before I started recording this video. It was a video of the Quick and Thick yarn, and you should note that this is it's a no seam continuous. It works in continuous rounds, so there's no seam. It make a nice basic hat, but I think I made it end up being too big, or maybe not. Okay, yeah, I guess I roll up the, yeah, I guess if I roll up the brim a little bit, it's actually not too bad. It's kind of nice, actually. Ain't gonna wear this too long. It's really hot. So anyway, that is all for the finished project. So like this, hope you had a chance to check out this the video for this hat. So this is the cardigan, which I had taken to work on Monday to work on it. Oh, that's the back end. That is the front end of this cardigan. I think I got a couple more rows before I join it down here and then start working on the body part. I think, yeah, it's not only moss stitch, but I think this is for cardigans and stuff. I like doing it this way. We're here just to show you. It's like a square, actually. Going around in a square. And then when the bodice part is big enough for me, then I will connect, work around and connect on the body. And come and bring the sleeves later. So, yeah, no, I'm not doing a pattern for this one. We're just winging it like we always do. Yeah, like we always do. This project I started, oh, my hook is caught. It's gonna be bag, and what I'm not liking so far is the bag that it's my basis. I'm hoping that twist works out when I make this taller, because I'm sure you can tell me in the comments why it's twisting like this. But I'm doing 3 yarns together. So this is like a cotton yarn. I know I got that from Temu. A thin yarn, size 1 yarn. And this, it looks like paper yarn that I had. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this is totally weird that it's curling like that. It's like, why is it doing this? It's like, I hope it works out. You know, what could be the title of this video? I hope it works out. I had to frog this project. I almost had this row done, but I had to frog this entire row because when I did the non-beaded row, I skipped a stitch, so I had to frog it all the way back to the skip stitch. Not happy, so it's probably not much progress. This is the weighted, by the way, it's a weighted blanket project for your first time here, and putting beads. See, this is, I don't know which one's going to use the right or wrong side. I like both sides. I like the side because we're giving it that ridge. This is the side I put the beads on. So there's no line. I like both sides. It's pretty nice. There's no rhyme or reason for the bead color. I just pick one at random. So it'll be nice when this is done. Like I said, I already determined this is a long-term project. I just will pick it up at random and work on it. Alright, I didn't work on this one, but I did at some point pick it up, and now I got the fox face on there. So this will be, I should work on this. This should be cute. Alright, this, I haven't worked on this one either. I had a panel done, and I still have to do this end and attach it to this. And I got another yarn. I guess I got distracted. I got another yarn on the knitting machine. It's some sock yarn from Hobie, and I'm just gonna make that into a scarf. But it's right next to me, so bear with me. Messy, messy. There it is. There you are. Okay. Alright. That is all I have. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.